Hello everybody, today I will show you how to tap and which color of the backup light. So I am installing the backup camera, which is here, to get the trigger or the backup light, and there is multiple color here. Instead of opening the back, so I did open the back, and if you see here, this is the light, the backup light. It's the small one, and it is the light, the white with the light green color. And in this case you need to tap or trigger on this one here. That's it. Don't open the back light to check, because it's the white with the light green.